Stop by and take a look at the 2017 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, compass, electronic stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.